It's one of the beautiful things I've seen today on the internet. Okay, these ladies are from the States. They are Ghanaian but based in the States, United States of America, and they also follow my cooking page. Okay, so I got to know them that, or I got to know that they are farmers, or I can't say they are farmers. They love farming. Okay, they love farming, anything green and agriculture. Okay, so I saw this video today on their page, and they are in the bush or in the farm, exploring and discovering things. Man, it's sometimes difficult to see people from outside who come back home and you barely see them in the farm or in the places like such places. But these ladies, because of the love they have for farming, they're in the bush. Man, this is amazing. Man, let's watch this video. It's quite long, but it's interesting. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, Kanantu and Epe, we went for a walk this morning here in our little village in Yonso, and as we were coming, we met my in-laws family, and she wanted to have us accompany her to her farm to show us her farm. And so here we are. We took a long trek. There's a sugarcane cassava branch. Yeah, it broke.
Yeah, that's the cassava root.
The cassava root right there. Yeah, and lots of cocoyam.
Did you get me with my basket?
Yes, I sure did.
Oh, my Ubanini. Hey, I'm
Hello.
Open your man. Oh.
Yeah, so this is her farm. They do subsistence farming. So they come, they take food, they do their grocery shopping in here. So there are so many different types of foods here. We have cassava. The leaves are edible, as I've said many a times. And we also have cocoyam here. The leaves are what is eaten. It's also poisonous, just like the cassava. Except this one has some calcium oxalate in there. If you have kidney issues, you don't eat that. You have to boil it to have the calcium oxalate dissipate. Yeah, so here it is. This is our staple vegetable here that is eaten. Yeah, and it's grown amongst all these things. There's lots of cassava here, plantain. So we're still walking in the farm, and we just came upon some cocoa tree with some pod on there. Wow.
So it's going to turn yellow, or green to red and then yellow.
Possibly. I'm not sure.
The one behind you.
Yeah. And these are all spoiled. Yeah. So our Ebushan right there is chopping off. There's little crickets here. Clearing way in the farm. This is so neat.
Yeah, as I said, this is how a flow will be.
Yep.
Depending on what you're growing.
Dependent, but no, it doesn't have to be like this. It can be organized very well, just like I have in the backyard in Surprise, where you make beds for specific things and then you do crop rotation. Yeah, but with this companion planting that they do, it helps keep each other going. Yeah, and people here eat lots of fresh food, not chemically processed. Look at all the detritus on the ground. There's no fertilization here. Here, nature takes care of itself.
No, okay.
Okay. Oh, she's cutting.
She's cutting it down.
Yeah, the plantain right there. So she's chopping the tree itself down. Yeah, and her son is also sharpening the knife. Yeah.
There it comes.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Come cut the head, then I'll cut.
Yeah.
Hey, just like I like it, up him, right?
Yeah.
Way up into.
Yeah.
Oh.
So she just cut. And so now with this in that bed, and you do no.
Me try to work on it.
Oh, okay. And so each a touch now, then more to I want to know. No, fufu beef. Oh, so the one in the banana, we don't ever have to like
Replant
anything. Yeah.
Wow.
Nti ma yi ahabani atwetwe egu for me. Ebutum asisa onye de gwewiem na wa dry. Na da ye.
Man, it is interesting. So you see how the ladies chopping the plantain, the branches and everything. These ladies or these our mothers in Africa, they have a huge experience when it comes to farming. They're very brave. Man, big ups to each and every woman out there doing the best for the country. Man, someone should tell this lady that I would like to have a one-on-one day with her in the farm to also to have a nice experience how they go about things. Man, farming is one thing that every country should look after. You need to invest in farming. So big shout outs to Joanna Rockefeller and Jocelyn Mediakun Cancer. Yeah, these lovely sisters are doing great in America and in Ghana as well. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook. Make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell so we notify when new video drop. Let's do this again for Shizzle Man Nizzle. I'm out.
What they are too. What they bore better so. Now what they are told that same annual.
Oh, okay. Until still no the brown one no. Mo watching no still no. Okay. No, it's so. Oh, okay.
Now the way any be.
A docono.
Yeah. Now they are tosso. Now I say. No, I can't say. No, I saw say. No, I can't say.
Ah, okay.
Who to me the way, who to me the mono so.
Eddie. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, thank you, ma.